Hi, this is Claire from AHA. Today I'm going to show you how reporting in AHA Ideas can help you review incoming requests, analyse feedback trends, and prioritise what to build next. Let's get started. AHA Ideas includes a powerful reporting engine. You can build list reports, pivot tables, and charts to quickly gain the insights you need. Our growing library of example reports makes it easy to get started. You can tailor each report to your exact needs or build your own from scratch. Let's take a look at some of the most popular reports for turning ideas data into actionable insights, starting with reviewing incoming ideas. The New Ideas report is ideal for evaluating requests submitted in the past month. You can quickly review the status of each idea, number of votes, score, who created it and when, in one view. You can customize your report to show the exact data you need. Here we add a data column to include idea categories. Then we filter the list by status to focus on ideas that need review. You can also click on an idea to open the draw view and edit the details, such as the assignee, category, and score. Sorting the report by score makes it easy to see the highest value ideas, so you can determine which ones to prioritise. Now let's take a look at two reports that help you spot feedback trends. Use the Trending Idea Categories column chart to see the total number of votes across each category by month. This helps you understand the themes that people are most interested in. The Trending Ideas Pivot Table helps you analyse how many votes each idea received within a specific time frame, so you can pinpoint which ones are currently rising in popularity. As your innovation programme gets underway, you'll want to highlight team progress. Here we created a pie chart to view ideas by status. You can instantly see the proportion of ideas that have already shipped, are likely to be implemented, or are a future consideration. The Idea Status Pivot Table is ideal for when you want a more in-depth view. This report groups ideas within cells by status, so you can see which ideas are in each step of your workflow. Adding a summary row allows you to track the total number of ideas in each status, so you can monitor progress and identify if there are any bottlenecks. These are just a few examples of the pre-built reports that come with AHA Ideas. You can also create your own custom report to get the valuable insights you need. The Report Builder guides you through the steps to bring your ideas data to life. Here we are creating a pivot report to analyse the needs of customers by organisation. We include a custom field that we created to capture the subscription plan for each customer. And filter by premium and partner plans. Now we can better understand what these groups of customers are most interested in and make informed prioritisation decisions. You can customise the style of your report to make it look the way you want. Then, give your new report a title, save it, and share it. You can publish any report as a secure web page or export as a PNG image or PDF document. If you need help creating the perfect report, use the question mark in your account to get in touch with us fast. Get started today with a free 30-day trial of AHA Ideas. Our customer success team has deep product expertise and responds incredibly fast. We want to help you effectively analyse your ideas data so you can drive your innovation programme forward.